Vaccine mandates and vaccine passports are an incredibly controversial topic of discussion, with many people claiming that they have medical conditions which make them exempt from vaccination. Several large companies have recently moved to introduce vaccine requirements for staff, including Facebook, Cisco and Walmart, as well as the federal government and local governments. Additionally, New York requires all healthcare workers to be vaccinated, and in San Francisco, people must show evidence of COVID-19 vaccination to access venues such as bars, restaurants and movie theaters. Whether you agree with them or not, vaccine requirements have arrived, and one opinion which seems to be fairly universally held is that people with genuine medical conditions preventing them from getting vaccinated against COVID-19 should not be subject to these mandates or passports, and doing so would be discriminatory. But what are these medical conditions and how many people do they affect? Well, the answer might surprise you. However, as with everything during the pandemic, nothing is simple, and there are rare circumstances where people should consult with physicians to help them make an informed decision and manage any potential risk. One of these health conditions, which is somewhat of a murky gray area, is known severe allergies either to previous vaccines or to the first shot of a COVID-19 vaccine, and the CDC currently provides guidance on what people with these allergies should do. Around 5 in a million people experience what appears to be a severe allergic reaction to the COVID-19 vaccines, said David Stukas, MD, an associate professor of pediatrics in the Division of Allergy and Immunology at Nationwide Children's Hospital in Columbus, Ohio. We initially thought that individuals with allergy to vaccine ingredients called polyethylene glycol, or polysorbate, may have been those experiencing reactions because there are virtually no other components of the mRNA vaccines or Johnson & Johnson that are really identified as causes of allergic reaction. But after investigation, these don't appear to be the cause of this very rare anaphylaxis, added Stukas. Anaphylaxis, which can also be caused by everything from bee stings to certain foods for some people, is a potentially life-threatening condition if untreated, and studies are ongoing at the National Institutes of Health and other academic centers to identify the cause of these rare allergic reactions to COVID-19 vaccines. If you've had a COVID-19 vaccine and been asked to wait for 15 to 30 minutes after your shot, monitoring for a severe immune reaction such as anaphylaxis is the main reason. But although this sounds scary, if every single person in the US got a COVID-19 vaccine, only 1,600 people would experience this, and it is easily treatable. Anaphylaxis can occur very rapidly after vaccine administration. It is very easily treatable with epinephrine and other medications.